Hello children, I am Vikesh from Mount Literacy School Jhansi. I am your science teacher. So welcome children in another lecture of chapter number 5, that is coal and petroleum. As you know that in the live class we have already discussed about the formation of a coal. As you can see, we have to discuss 2 points into the coal, that is formation of a coal, and second one is a varieties of coal. So in the formation of coal we have already discussed how the coal is formed. Now we are moving to the another heading, that is a varieties of coal. So as you remember that when we are discussing about the formation of a coal, we have discussed the 4 type of a coal, that is a peat, lignite, bituminous coal and anthracite. So when the coal is near to the earth, that is called, or the near to the soil, that is called peat. And what are peat? It has a high moisture content and low carbon content around 30 to 40%. It is soft, spongy and comprised of plant debris. It is mainly made up by the plant debris, okay, but it is near to the soil, that's why it is having a very less amount of carbon, that is 30 to 40%. The next one is a lignite. Lignite is a brown color. The carbon content is around 50 to 70%. It is very deep as compared to the peat, that's why it containing a more carbon. It is the lowest rank of coal, okay, with the least heating value. It is used as a fuel for electric power generator. So electric power generator means just like thermal power, we are using a coal that is called a lignite, which can contain only 50 to 70% of carbon. Then next one is a bituminous coal. It is usually black and sometimes dark brown in color. It is lower moisture content and high carbon content, that is a 60 to 80%. Then lignite. As compared to the lignite, the carbon content is very high. It is used as a fuel for power generation and is also used for manufacturing useful product like coke and coal tar. So that is used to form coke and coal tar, and it is beneath the lignite. Now the next one is a anthracite. It is hard dark blue black coal. The carbon content is very high, that is 85 to 90%. It is used preliminary for residential and commercial heating, means घर में या कहीं factories में भी they are using this anthracite, okay. So these all are different type of a coal. They totally depend on the deepness, how they are deep inside the earth. As much as deeper, as much as high content of coal or the carbon they have. The heating of coal in the absence of air to form coke is called destructive distillation. So destructive distillation means when we are burn the coal in the absence of air, that process is known as destructive distillation. Destructive distillation is the process which produce various petroleum products like coal tar, coal gas, etc. When we done the destructive distillation with the coal, we will get coal tar and coal gas, etc. Petroleum is refined to get the various byproduct like petrol, petroleum gas, paraffin wax, diesel, lubricant oil, etc. Okay, so the petrol can also be done destructive distillation, which we can discuss later on, but right now they are doing a destructive distillation with the coal. So let's see what we will get. Coke. We will get coke first. So it is grayish black, hard and porous substance. It contains very few volatile impurities and has a high carbon content. So coke is containing a highest carbon inside them, that is 95 to 98%. Then coal tar, it is a thick black liquid obtained by the frictional distillation of coal. That is also a type of a distillation through which they get the coal tar. Coal gas, it is a gaseous mixture obtained during the destructive distillation of coal. Then liquor ammonia, it is obtained as a byproduct of the destructive distillation of coal. Okay, and they have given you the different uses, just like coal, coke, where they are using, mainly they are using to calcium and aluminum carbides manufacturing, then reducing agent in the extraction of metal, as a fuel of burn easily and does not produce smoke. That is a one quality of coke, it is not produce smoke, so that is less harmful toward the environment. Whereas coal tar, it can be further broken down into many useful organic compounds such as benzene, naphthalene and phenol. These compounds are used for synthetic dyes, drug, perfume, paint, explosive, etc. Naphthalene balls, if you remember, the mother is putting some white colors balls in between the clothes, so it will protect from the insect. That is coming from the coal tar. Coal gas, it is used to source of a heat or fuel in some industries, and liquid ammonia, it is used in the manufacturing of fertilizers. So these all are the byproduct when we done destructive distillation with coal. Okay, so in today's video we have discussed about the peat, lignite, bituminous coal, anthracite. These all are the type of coal, and when we have done the destructive distillation with coal, we will find out coke, coal tar, coal gas and liquor ammonia. Thank you.